This is Alex, the rail fanning redneck here. It looks like we have a CSX train about to cross this bridge. First cats of 2019. Let me get back a little bit further, so I don't want to look like I'm on railroad property. $6011 6388. Wow. He's really accelerating and it's really windy. Well, there he goes. There goes the CSX train with an unknown ID going across the bypass canal, or the end of the bypass canal, from really cold, windy weather. This is Alex, and from, I think, just south of Tampa, this is Alex, the rail fanning redneck, and I'm out.